Well, this is my third time doing this because my video's been too long, so I'm going to go hurry up and get to my solving the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. If you plan on getting a 4x4 Rubik's Cube, I recommend you not get the Rubiks brand because it's a really bad cube overall. Just not cutting corners, too much popping and everything. But I just ordered a new one because I actually accidentally broke mine earlier. It still works, but it's really slow. So sorry if it takes me too long. So I want to go ahead and start solving this, or mess it up first, but then solve it. Here we go. Dang, more popping. Well, it's messed up, so I'll go ahead and solve it now.
Introducing Arby's Angus Cool Deli Sandwich and Wrap. Premium lean Angus beef that's freshly sliced, crisp lettuce and tomato, topping with banana peppers and pickles, and topped with vinaigrette dressing. All served deliciously cool. Arby's, it's good mood food. Burning hot. Irritated eyes? Introducing Clear Eyes Cool and Comfort. The eye drop that goes beyond ordinary. With a cool, refreshing rush you feel instantly. Cool. New Clear Eyes Cool and Comfort. Cool.
Sometimes getting what you want in life can be a challenge. Wendy's is here to make it easy with the 99-cent everyday value menu, so you can get more of what you want whenever you want it. And with the new Monterey Ranch chicken sandwich and crispy chicken Caesar wrap, there's even more choices to satisfy your hunger for less than $1.
As you can see, I got all the centers.
99 cents, everyone's a winner.
Took me a while because of the popping and stuff. Remember, don't get the Rubiks brand. Starting the edges now.
Match.com. More dates, more relationships, and more marriages than any other site. Just looking for someone that I can't wait to see.
Wow, mosquitoes are so annoying.
Join GameFly, choose the games you want online.
Let's see
Get
here.
them in the mail and send them back when you're done.
GameFly has a huge selection of titles. Before GameFly, I could never play as many games as I wanted to because I couldn't afford it.
Go to GameFly.com now. Click the joystick in the top right corner, enter Joke in the box, and get started with a free extended trial. And remember, you can cancel at any time. Product shown rated E through F.
There is no better deal than GameFly, period. I'll go medium, please. Medium rare.
Medium well.
Oh, I'm going triple. Taco Bell's triple steak burrito with 1, 2, 3 times the thick, juicy marinated steak. There's steak night, then there's triple steak night. Think outside the bun.
Come on. Get back in your big fat body. Why should I help some guy save his marriage when I can't even get a girl?
Whoa, wait, what are you saying?
The revelation, jackass. It could have helped you save your marriage. But too late. Oh, and by the way, when the lightning hit you, you soiled yourself. Enjoy.
Wait, I can't lose Lois. Well, please, I'll do anything. What if I help you get a girl?
Really? You think you could do that?
Sure, all we gotta do is get you a little fixed up. You know, get your hair cut, give you good clean. Shave, maybe some cologne. The chicks will be all over you.
Gee, you really think so?
Absolutely.
You got any SPF 50? I bleach like a gym sock.
Look, Dad, will you relax? I told you the beach is a perfect
I
place
am
to pick up
scratching.
chicks. Now, I want you to go over there and ask those girls if you can play.
Hey, can I join you?
I guess. What's your name?
Josh?
Do you, live around here?
No, I live with my mom.
Let's get out of here. See you, Josh. Tell your mom we said hi.
Heads up!
How did we get up there? Dad put grease on the pole.
Don't worry, Meg. We've been studying fulcrums in school. You simply have to counterbalance the weight at the point where the lever pivots, like so.
the deuce?
Blast off! Go on, Stewie. Get the note for Mommy.
How dare you use me for your own personal selfish... Oh, pull slower. I must remember to do this again when no one's around.
What the hell was I thinking? You don't know anything about picking up chicks.
Are you kidding? I learned from the best.
Come on, buddy. We're dropping anchor in Jamaica.
Oh, great. We're getting closer to Rhode Island.
Rhode Island? Forget that. I'm taking you out for some shore leave. Does this look like a key
Okay.
to you?
No.
Got the cross.
Sorry, Quagmire.
Working on the first layer.
Looks like Lois to me.
Well, let's ask her then. Hey, look. Should Peter sit around and mope all night? Or should Peter go out with his buddy and have some fun? All right. Okay, that one's a feminist type. She's into He-Man, and that one's mad for jazz.
Having some really bad popping right
The amount
here.
of women in this hemisphere is deplorable. I can bench press 800 pounds. You, me, and Colt train till dawn. Giggity, 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 giggity. There you go, Peter. One for you, two for me.
You guys go on without me.
So why didn't you go with her?
You don't know what it's like when you're in love.
Oh, yeah? Her name's Amy. She works at a pet store. I met her last summer when her dad hung himself, but I was too shy to ask her out.
Ah, what's with that mustache?
Huh? Let me see that. Sorry, that's Edward James Olmos. Here, this is her.
Oh,
Nice ass. Oh, sorry, no. That's Edward
See?
James Olmos' ass.
bad
I guess I
popping.
don't have a photo of her, but trust me, she's cute.
Well, let's go get it.
I'm gonna need that picture of Olmos' ass back.
There we go.
Yeah, right.
Mom, hurry! I can't stand the smell. I found the note. Go back to the mini, Mom. Well, this isn't very creative. Let's go, kids.
Mom, you remember that goldfish we flushed down the toilet? He wasn't dead.
There she is. That's her.
All right, now go on, just like we practiced.
Hey, you.
Hi. I was just, I was just in the neighborhood, and, so I thought that, this is a bad time. Maybe I'll just come back. Who am I kidding? I'll never get her.
Not with that attitude. Come on. Robert Reed got Florence Henderson, and he was one of them toe-tapping burger-wasters. You gotta find a way to make it happen.
So long, Peter. I hope you find your girl.
Thanks, Quagmire. Hope you live next door to me someday.
Hey, does this look like a cue to you? How about now?
So where is it that you need to go, my new honky friend?
Rhode Island. That's not too far, is it?
Nothing's too far away from Maxine the cheating queen. Women. That's not fair. I'm just speaking out of hurt. That truck's coming up on us awful fast.
Holy crap! Do you see what I see?
I'm afraid I do.
We're being chased by ghosts.
So you went through all this trouble just to see your girl?
I sure did, and I'm just a fat idiot. What's your excuse, you big chicken?
Chicken. You take that back and make me. I don't make monkeys. I train them.
Oh, holy crap! I'm sorry. Did that hurt?
No, but this will.
You bastard!
Oh, solved it finally.
What the hell is going on?
Sorry it took me so long.
Actually,
It was the popping and stuff. But I'll put up a new video whenever I get my new cube later this week. So comment, rate, and subscribe me. Bye.